With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A source of sound attached to a bob of a simple pendulum. Execute SHM. The difference between the apparent frequency of the sound as received by the observer during its approaches and recession at the mean position is 2% of the natural frequency of the source. The velocity of the source at the mean position is, you have to find out. So if we know that, here if you see the sound, a source of sound is attached to the bob, right? So here the source is moving, and we know that the apparent frequency in case of source motion, it is equals to velocity of the sound minus plus minus velocity of the source times the actual frequency, right? So when it moves toward the observer, it is minus. When it moves away, it is plus, right? So it is said that the difference between the two is 2% of the natural frequency, right? So if I write down the maximum and minimum frequency, so the minimum frequency will be when it will be moving away like this, and it will be moving toward, then it will be maximum. So if I take the difference, V max minus V mean, it will be V minus Vs F naught, V plus Vs F naught. So it is said that the difference is 2% of the natural frequency, right? So this F naught is the natural frequency. So if you subtract them, right, then V square minus Vs square, it will be V square plus Vs minus V square plus Vs. This minus, if you take this minus sign inside, you will get this times of F naught. So since the Vs is very less than V, so you can ignore this term, and the final expression you will get 2VVs by V square times F naught, right? So it is said that the difference, if you see, is 2% of the natural frequency, right? So if you see, this is 2% of the natural frequency. So I will write 2% of this F naught. Now you can solve it. So this V will get cancelled out. This 2 will also get cancelled out. And this F naught will also get cancelled out. And if you put the value of this V here, so V is this 340, right? Put it here, 340. So 340 by 100, it is 3.4 meter per second. Now if you check for the option 3.4 meter per second, it is B is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.